everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just a really quick nail art haul. I recently placed another order with Charlie's Nailer and I thought I would share my goodies with you. Haven't done as many videos the last probably week because I've been really ill, but I was finally feeling a little bit better today, so I thought I would open my nail mail and share it with you guys. So let's get into the package. Now I really love these little handwritten notes that Charlie always puts in with your order. I just think it's really sweet and a really nice little touch. And yeah, it makes you feel like quite a valued customer. Now this order was mainly nail foils, as you can see. I really wanted some new ones. I just haven't ordered nail foils really in a while, so I had a little look through her website and picked out a couple that I liked, and then I just added on a couple of extra bits that I also wanted. So first up is this beautiful gold leaf, except for this is multicolored and I haven't really seen anything like this before. As you can see, it's got copper and gold and then a pink tone to it. It was really hard to show on camera. I did try my best, but as you can see here, I'm struggling. But I don't know if you can really see, but there's, when you shift it, there's just pink parts on the foil and gold and bronze. It's super pretty. So I'm really looking forward to using that in a set. And you get quite a lot in the pot. I just wanted to show you that here. And then here we have the palm tree and flamingo decals. Originally I was just looking for some palm trees, but I see these and I thought, well, I probably would use the flamingos too, and they'd be great for the summer. And then next up we have these transparent long stars. I absolutely love these. I think they look super pretty. I have something very similar from Charlie's Nailer. You've probably seen me use them a few times on my channel. They're called transparent mixed sequin shapes, and they're like hearts and stars and like a mixture, but they're made from the same material as these. So I see these and I thought, yeah, I've got to give these a go. They look really pretty in iridescent sets. Then lastly, before we move on to the foils, I have this sample pack of heart gemstones. I'm a brand promoter for Charlie's Nailer, so every now and then I will get the odd product to review or promote, and this was the one I chose in with this order. So keep an eye out because I should be using those very soon. I do also, because being a brand promoter for Charlie's, I do also have a discount code, so I will leave that in the description box or somewhere on screen for you guys in case you decide to place an order. So these were the foils that I chose to purchase. As you can see, there are 3 different types. So these are the more standard metallic ones. So I chose raspberry, which is that beautiful pink, and then the next one is silver hollow. I love the hollow in this one. And then we have purple. Love purple, so I had to have that. And then as you can see, this is like a really nice Cadbury purple. And then this particular one is bronze. I'm really loving the whole bronze copper vibe at the moment. And then we have these two. So as you can see, they've just got a bit of a different effect. It's got more of a shattered look to them. And this one is called, it's just called pink, this one, I believe. And then the blue, which is the next one, is called royal blue. I love this one. I think the blue and the raspberry, and as well I added in the bronze as well, they look really nice together. When I was placing this order, I was trying to think of a few different products that would go together to create a set, so I thought that those would also look nice with those gold leaf foil things as well. And then we have their patterned foils. So this one is called Summer Flowers. As you can see, it's just a really beautiful, colourful foil. And then I also went for another floral one, which was just called Flowers, I believe. I love the hollow to the leaves in this one as well. I think this will look super pretty. And then also I went for the leopard print one because I really like a bit of animal print and I haven't got any animal print foils. So I thought that would be a nice little addition. And that's all of my products for this haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, head on over to Charlie's and check out her selection of nail art items. Don't forget, if you use the code, which I will leave in the description box below, you can get yourself a 10% off. I don't make any commission or anything from that code. It's just simply to save you guys some pennies. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to hit like and leave me a comment. And if you're watching and you're not already subscribed, as always, please do consider subscribing. I shall see you all again very, very soon. Bye bye.